Hey guys, so today's tutorial is about how to draw a realistic looking lips. So let's start. First, I'm giving a base layer using an HB pencil. Make sure to use minimum pressure to avoid the harsh lines. After the shading is complete, use a cotton bud or a tissue for blending. Make sure to blend properly for a smooth texture. After the blending is complete, use a 4B pencil to draw the outlines. Now use the same 4B pencil for making darker shades. After shading, again blend the shades using a tissue. Blend properly to end up with a smooth texture. After blending, use a sharpened 4B pencil to add random vertical lines to the lower lips. Now use the same 4B pencil to draw some random horizontal lines to the lower part of the lower lip. Now with the same 4B pencil, start adding small vertical line to the lower part of the lower lip. Now use a 2B pencil to add some more random lines to the lower lip. Now use the same 2B pencil to make the vertical lines more prominent. Also add a bit more details to the lower lip. Now use a 4B pencil to add small vertical lines to the upper lip. Now with the same 4B pencil, start adding prominent vertical lines from the lower part of the upper lip. Now start joining the upper line with the lower line and add a bit more detail. Now use a 6B pencil to darken the outline of the lips. Also make sure to darken the inner part of the lip. Now start blending the lines with the help of a cotton bud. Now again use a 6B pencil to make the lips more prominent. Now use an eraser and start adding highlight to your lips. Now use a white pen to make the highlights more realistic. You can also use a correction pen if you want. Make the highlights by adding dotted lines. Once done, start blending it with a cotton bud to make it more realistic. Use a 6B pencil to add more details to the lips. Now use the same 6B pencil for darkening the areas between the teeth. Now use a 4B pencil to mark the outline of the teeth. start blending the outline with a cotton bud. Now use a tissue to blend it well. You can also use a cotton bud if you want. Now start adding highlight using an eraser. Use a white pen to make the highlights more realistic. You can also use a correction pen if you want. Once done, add as much detail as you like to make the lips more realistic. This is your final result. Thank you for watching.